weekly trades. In today's video, I will be sharing my higher time frame analysis on Eurusd for the upcoming week. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the charts and analyze together. Now, when we come onto our monthly time frame, we can see that price expanded from a discount zone, reaching the monthly change stage of delivery. And then after this expansion, price entered into a phase of consolidation and then manipulation into a monthly internal rate liquidity that also resided in a discount zone. So as we can see clearly here, this is a clear representation of ICT's A and B concept. Now, with this concept, you know that after accumulation, manipulation, we can anticipate for distribution towards our monthly draw on liquidity. We can also see here that with candle range theory, January candle has created the lows of December and then November and then close back within it. So we are expecting that price will further expand towards at least December highs and then November highs before our final draw on liquidity is reached. Now, when we drop onto the weekly time frame, we can also see that this current week candle not only closed above our previous week's high, but also inverted an internal range liquidity that was within the premium zone on the weekly chart. So with this, we are anticipating that our next weekly candle will open and then raise liquidity into the weekly investment fair value before proceeding towards our previous month high. Now, when we drop down to our daily charts, we can see that there is a key mistake of delivery that was expected. Now, what we can see here is that the Friday candle not only inverted the weekly internal range liquidity, but also inverted a daily internal range liquidity. So what we are expecting for our next weekly candle to do is that when it opens, we are expecting that there will be liquidity sweeps towards this zone before proceeding higher. Now, our 4-hour chart also supports the same idea. As you can see, this is our daily range on 4-hour chart. And then we are expecting that when the next week's candle opens, we can have a move lower towards this liquidity void over here before we can proceed higher towards our weekly and then monthly draw on liquidity. Now, with all the analysis you may perform, price will always do what price wants to do. So it's always advisable that you always wait for your intermediate and lower time frame confirmations to align with your higher time frame narrative in order to find high probable trades. So that will be all for today's weekly forecast. Good luck and stay safe.